Today we're going to make biscuits or scones, you can call them scones, for breakfast. So here are the ingredients, all the ingredients, and I have preheated my oven up to 425 degrees. And before you start, please make sure that adults supervise. First, I'm going to add all of the dry ingredients into the flour. Sugar, salt, and some baking powder. And I'm going to mix it with a fork. Now I'm going to add the butter, and I'm going to rub the butter with my fingertips. Now I'm going to add the milk. This is what you get when you forget to use a fork. While it's still messy, I'm going to add the vanilla extract. Now that the dough is done, I'm going to put the dough on top of the flour-covered work area. And fold it so it makes a few layers. Now that I made the dough a little bit more thinner, and now I'm going to cut the cookie. Now I'm going to cut the dough, into circles. Now I'm going to place the circles onto the baking tray. Now I'm going to use the remaining dough, and we're going to do the layers again. Now I'm going to put the scones into the oven for 10 minutes. Now we're at the breakfast table, and now I'm going to try my breakfast scone. This looks good.